Hello, my name is Lavinia. I'm a non-CPA accountant with over 20 years experience helping organizations gain clarity and control over their financial information. In today's demonstration, I'm going to enter two invoices into QuickBooks. Some of the line items will be assets and the other line items will be expenses. So let's go ahead and see how we're going to post these invoices. Okay, taking a look at the first invoice from Office Depot. Company policy is to capitalize any invoice over $500. So as we can see on the first line, we have 6 desks. The unit price of each desk is $750, which is above the guideline, so we're going to capitalize it. As opposed to the 6 chairs, which are $350 a unit, and it's below the capitalization threshold. So we're going to include those in with the office supplies. Let's go ahead and enter the invoice. Let's go to New, Bill. And we're going to select Office Depot. And I know the terms are net 30. And the bill date was 10/2. See the invoice number. Make sure that bill, 10/2. And then the invoice number is 7852. All right, and then we said that the first category is going to be an asset, which is furniture. Then we're going to write a note that it is 6 desks. And they total, I believe, 4,500. Yes. 4,500. And then we're going to conclude the next line with office supplies. And that total is going to be 3,434.81. 3,434.81. 7,934.81. 7,934.81. Okay, and I also wanted to know, we're going to have to call the vendor to tell them to remove the tax because New Horizons Corporation is a non-for-profit. So we're not going to pay that part. We're going to pay this. And I'll make sure to contact the vendor before we pay to let them know to take off the tax. So we're going to go back and we're just going to click Save. And then that's it. That's our invoice. Actually, I wanted to enter in another one. So let's go to New, and we're going to enter in another bill. That's thinking. Other bill. Okay, in this bill, we purchased 2 12-passenger vans from Ford Motor Company. Capitalize this in vehicles. So let's just go ahead and enter. We're going to choose Ford Motor. Terms are due on receipt. Invoice date is 10/7. And the bill number is 4589. Categories, the vehicles. That's in our fixed assets. And then we're going to put 212 passenger vans. Now, total amount is 130,000. And then I'm going to add some supporting documentation. And then that's it. We're going to save and close. So today we entered in 2 invoices. We entered in some fixed assets. We entered in some expenses. If you'd like to work with me in the future, please check the description below and visit my Upwork profile. If you like this video, click like, share, and go ahead and subscribe. In the next demonstration, we're going to go over entering revenue for services. So tune back in and I'll see you in the next video.